Hi and welcome to my channel. Sorry about the lighting, but I'm doing this at night. I wanted to get this done. Tonight I am unboxing my May Allure Beauty Box. Allure is a monthly subscription. It's $15 a month and you receive, just a minute, 5 deluxe samples and it's free shipping. So let's go ahead and see what I got this month. Here's what it looks like inside. This is hashtag Allure Beauty Box. And right on top we have the pamphlet that goes over the different items and how to use them and why they like them and the price. So we'll go over that as we go through everything. Everything comes in a plastic bag. And it usually, this one is a newer one. It just slips open, which is amazing. Comes with a bunch of stuff inside, and there's actually one thing on the outside. So I'll do that first. And actually, there's something else in here. $60 gift card, $20 off your first 3 deliveries of HelloFresh. So that's awesome. Alright, first thing I'm seeing, which is outside of the box, and it's I can never say this right, Laritzi lip gloss. Looks like this. This is in the shade of Vibe. So, hopefully I like it because I just ripped the box apart. So, and that's the color. That's similar to other colors that I already have, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and swatch it. And I think I might already have, and that's what the applicator looks like. I might already have this, so if I do, I'll probably give this to a relative. That's what the color looks like. It's a pretty neutral nude, and I like the feel of it. It feels nice. Okay, first thing in the bag that I'm seeing is Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity. That's what that looks like. I forgot to read about the lip gloss and that, so let's see. Okay, thought I saw the lip gloss back here. Laritzi Cosmetics lip gloss in Vibe. This pale pinkish nude gloss has a 60s vibe that one colleague compared to Lara Antipova in Dr. Zhivago, only better. I'm not going to read everything. Just make sure your lips are smooth or apply it over a balm. It's less cute on chapped skin. By the way, this is my dog Eddie. And the price on this is $20. And I'm guessing that this is full size. Then the St. Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. Of all the self-tanning formula I've tested, this liquidy gel is a clear winner. It's easy to spread on a thin coat over dry skin. Scent is a mix of fresh and tropical. Truly, it left zero stink behind. I used it in the morning and ran around all day. One application is great for a subtle glow, but I use it a few days in a row for golden color. And of course it's not full size, so full size is $44 and you can get it for Ulta. Actually, I read the wrong one. You could have gotten that one or you could have gotten this. I was going to say this looks really liquidy. This is actually the Bronzing Mist Bronzing Water. Okay. Actually, that's one of the options that you could get. I got the Saint Tropez Fresh Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. This facial tanner goes on clear in a superfine mist that hydrated my dry skin. I used 5 spritz across my face, neck, and upper chest before bed. Didn't feel the need to blend and was thrilled with the noticeable but believable tan I woke up to. I've also used it under makeup, which wore well on top all day. And for the full size, the price is $30. I'm actually kind of glad I got the face. I'm actually kind of glad I got the facial spritz. I think that would be easier for me. Alright, next item I'm pulling out of the bag is Amore Pacific Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. That's what the box looks like. And here's what the packaging looks like. Let's see if I can figure it out. And it's pretty full, even though it's still a small amount, but it's pretty full. And let's see what it says for this. Okay, and there's multiple, 4 different kinds you could have gotten. Amore Pacific Youth Revolution Mask, Eureka. A hydration mask that doesn't smell like anything. I can wear it overnight, focus on Z's, and have brighter skin by morning. And wow. For the full size of this, it's $200. $200 for a full size of this. Not sure how big the $200 bottle is, but wow. Let's see. I was just seeing if I could see how to use it. I'll have to read up on how to use it. Let's see if the This cream with the function of sleeping mask is a creamy. Well, you wear it at night, and I'll find out how to use it. But that's interesting. I'm really hoping it works for $200 for full size. Wow. And then we have Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream Hydrate for normal to dry skin. Lots of hydration cream, and that's what the box looks like. Wow, teeny tiny sample. That's what that looks like. I mean, it's not teeny tiny. I've had smaller. This is 0.2 fluid ounces, and see what it says about that. Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. According to Zoolander philosophy, moisture being the essence of wetness and wetness being the essence of beauty, this little blue jar is brimming with beauty. According to my thirsty skin, this cream is a great balance between light and effectively moisturizing. Doesn't feel heavy, but thoroughly plumps my skin with ceramides and sodium hyaluronate. Use it in the morning under sunscreen and makeup, and at night before bed, flooded my hydrated skin. Full size is $35. Okay, a couple more items. The next one is Louis by Jean Sio. It's Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. I don't think I've ever tried anything like that. Let's see what it says. Or I know I haven't tried anything like that. Okay, Louis by Jean Zorro Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. Combine the loose powder exfoliator made with milk, powder, and oats with... combine this with water. Apply, wait a minute, massage it away, and it unclogs pores and renders skin as soft as a baby's tiny velour tracksuit. In other words, very soft. $15 for this. I hope it lasts a while if you're adding it, if you add water. So I should give that a try. And last, but definitely not least, we have Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow by Model Co. And I think the color is St. Bart's. Yeah, St. Bart's. That's what it looks like. Nice metallic color. We'll swatch it. Well, I don't know about that lip gloss. It's still tacky. Not too happy about that. Maybe I haven't used... Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is nice and creamy. I'm finding the more I didn't think I would like cream eyeshadows, but the more I'm using them, the more I like them, and I really like the color. This color. Can't wait to use this. I think it would look really good with the colors I'm wearing right now. That's that. I need new lighting. Maybe tomorrow for my birthday, but by the time I release this, I'm probably going to put this out on my birthday. There's that. And let's see what it says about this. Model Co. Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow in St. Bart's. This bronzy champagne cream shadow dries fast and doesn't crease or rub off. Its doe foot applicator deposits the perfect amount of rich color across your lids for a cool metallic effect, but you can also blend the edges into a glittering haze. I like pairing it with thick line of black liquid eyeliner, and every time I wear it, my lids look as fresh hours after applying as they did when I recapped the tube. Price $12. So, in recap, I got some interesting stuff, some stuff I haven't used before. But we got Lou by Jean Sao, cleansing, exfoliating, and brightening powder that you add water to, and then put it on and you erase it off. We have Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream Hydrator. Sorry, just reading it. And the Amore Pacific Youth Revelation Radiance Cream and Mask. And then for Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. Model Co. Eyelights in St. Bart's. And last but not least, making sure it was last but not least. Okay. And then Larizzi Lip Gloss and Vibe. Oh wow, that really, look, the eyeshadow, the right, it doesn't rub off. Amazing, I love that. Woohoo! And the lip gloss is still tacky. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 3 of them are full size, and so half of them are full size, half are deluxe sample size. And the one that really gets me is that the full size of this is $200. $200. So I hope this is amazing stuff. And that's what I got in my May Allure Beauty Box this month. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave a comment below, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you, and everybody have a great night. See you in my next video. Bye.